Good day and welcome back to another video. And today I'm in the lovely Wenderholm Park, which is situated just north of Auckland on the North Island of New Zealand. It's a beautiful park. It's got beautiful shaded picnic spots and a lot of beautiful old trees, and there's a lot of bird life, and there's a beautiful safe beach to swim in. It's really a beautiful place to visit. And today we're going to be testing the Canon R5 Mark II with the RF 200 to 800 millimeter zoom lens f9. And my settings today for bird photography is aperture priority. In Canon it's AV setting. I've dialed my ISO into 2500, which is really manageable with today's editing software. And then the EV compensation dialed back to about -1.4 now with the light conditions, and that's going to ensure that I get a nice fast shutter speed. My f stop, I'm going to dial in about f10 f11 to still get a bit of depth of field, especially if there's maybe two birds standing next to one another and you want possibly both in focus. Just adding that bit of depth of field. You could always use your editing software to blur out your backgrounds. So that's the settings. Just repeat that again. Aperture priority in Canon R5 Mark II, which is AV setting. I dialed in the ISO 2500. My EV light compensation -1.4. That's going to drive up the shutter speed. And my f stop, my aperture, I've dialed in at f11. And we'll see what we can capture today here in Wenderholm Park. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video and images with me. So I've been quite lucky to once again capture some beautiful images of the North Island Dotterel of New Zealand. It's an endangered bird. Good news is that the numbers are up and it's breeding season, so I've managed to capture a couple of nice pics of some chicks with the parents. Beautiful soft afternoon light. Really enjoying it out here, and I hope you enjoy these images with me. It's really special to see these cute little dotterels running along the beach, and yeah, it's just so special to share, and I hope you enjoy it. what I found.